How to fix Messenger not showing active online friends. So if you want to fix the Messenger not showing active online friends, then what you need to do is first open up your Messenger application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with the settings option, which will be on the upper right. Once you're under the settings, now here you will have your active status. If you've turned off your active status, then you will not be able to view the active online friends. So you just need to simply toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then you'll be able to see the active persons on your Messenger. But even after turning that on, you don't have any green kind of interface on their profile, then it means they are not active right now. But if it's not the case, then you can simply press and hold on to that Messenger, go with the app info, and under app info you just need to simply scroll down, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache, and after that your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that you've updated the application. So go with your Play Store, search, and you just need to simply search for Messenger. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Messenger, then simply go and update the application, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Messenger not showing active online friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.